Hello, tech aficionados. Join us on Smart Tech as we explore the powerful world of heavy equipment and advanced agricultural machinery.
Caterpillar has released a new underground articulated dump truck, Cat AD63. The main difference of the novelty from its predecessor, AD60, is in the increased by 5% payload and improved dynamic characteristics of the heavy truck. The new truck is powered by the C27 engine and produces 588 kilowatts or 789 horsepower of maximum power. The motor meets all EU Stage 5 emission standards and is CANMET approved for use in underground utilities. At the same time, the model does not require urea DEF to achieve an acceptable level of exhaust cleanliness. This is accomplished by a powerful cat wall flow filter and other neutralization systems. The SP460 is a combination of an elevator and a 6-ton multi-purpose hopper. The elevator enables the machine to operate with continuous fast flow and direct loading into a trailer moving alongside the machine when conditions are favorable, providing maximum output per hour as harvesting continues unabated. The hopper can support the process as a buffer in case where trailers may not be sufficient for endless unloading. The elevator arm swings up along the machine and continues to fill the hopper, capable of holding 6 tons of carrots. The entire tine elevator section of the machine is designed as an interchangeable unit, so the 4-row Terrabil section can replace the Coulter elevator. Here is another self-propelled tracked salad harvester, the 8400 electric model from Ortomec. Its rigid and galvanized frame allows the machine to be used both in the greenhouse and in the field under adverse working conditions. The company has applied a special Urbex picking system, which ensures the purity of the product during harvesting. The combine can be optionally equipped with a 3.2-foot or 5.5-foot operator platform and various optional equipment to meet your individual needs. When equipped as standard, its proportional electro-hydraulic sensors allow you to achieve the best results in cutting lettuce. The bridge needs to be built, so it's time to take the cranes apart, right? Not so fast. A Chinese company has created a machine that has a creative way of putting girders in place. The SLJ series model, manufactured by Beijing-based Wow Joint Machinery Company, is a 580-ton, 300-foot-long, 24-foot-wide mega machine that looks more like a train than a crane. Instead of using a stationary or crawler crane to lift the bridge girder off the ground and into place, this machinery drives the girder onto a previously installed girder, slowly extends its arms to the next support platform, pushes the girder toward the front of the machine, and then lowers it into place. It's a complicated system, but what an effect! Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a tracked base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The Kuhn RW1610 Professional Bale Wrapper is ideal for wrapping tasks where high productivity and high efficiency are required. Thanks to the sturdy design with low table height and standard large wheels at the rear, there's no need for an active fall arrestor. This saves additional steps in the operation, and the bale can be unloaded on the go. The constant weight transfer in the direction of the tractor avoids slipping on slopes. In addition, the RW1610 can load and carry a second bale on the loading arm during wrapping. The wrapper is equipped as standard with a film trimmer and a film bale holder for 2 units. Dutchman Tree Tire is another innovative product that can tie standing trees in seconds. This machine can tie up to 40 trees every hour, significantly reducing labor costs. The tree tire's convenient and unusual design includes angled tubes for initial lifting of branches, a hydraulic gate opening, and a size reduction ring. This model of machinery is designed to last a long time with virtually no maintenance. Its unique design allows all trees to be wrapped tightly and evenly, reducing the likelihood of branch damage during transportation. The Osprey 3 is a versatile, gentle, and extremely efficient machine for stacking crops of potatoes or other vegetables either in rows next to the machine or in rows across two beds. It has integrated hydraulics to drive the cleaning rollers with the tractor's PTO. The Osprey 3 has standard 24-inch wheels, allowing it to carry a slightly heavier chassis, but it requires a little more horsepower. The model has a ground drive option for farmers who use this machine in extremely wet conditions. However, this option is rarely needed, as the weight distribution along the machine is good for driving comfort. The Epiroc DM30XC is a crawler-mounted top hydraulic rotary blast hole drilling machine with 30-foot drill pipe exchange capability. The starter drill rod is located under the DM30XC machine's rotary drive. Total cleaning depth is 148 feet, depending on drill pipe size. The DM30XC is designed to handle drill pipe diameters from 4 inches to 6 1/4 inches. The drill bit is rated at 44,000 pounds. A choice of low or high pressure compressor makes the machine suitable for rotary drilling or submerged percussion drilling. The HS572 sewer saw from ConnectTech Universal is a heavy-duty skid steer attachment that removes the collar and adjacent areas of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. It dramatically reduces manhole cover repair time, typically 10 to 20 minutes on concrete and twice as fast on asphalt. The technique features a 14-inch deep cutout, improved positioning, and additional centering arms. It includes heavy-duty hydraulic motors, hydraulically powered breakaway function, no rocking or breakaway of the loader, and 45 carbide-tipped cutters for cutting concrete, asphalt, and brick. With the help of a miracle machine, a man turns metal into a work of art, carving holes with incredible ease. One can only guess how many centuries it would take to do the same work with just his hands and patience. What do you think this HRVB hydraulic vacuum bucket is for? Firstly, it converts any hydraulic energy or mobile equipment or vehicle into vacuum for waste disposal and into airflow for cleaning. Some of its advantages include powerful air injection and suction with a single unit, constant availability, fast and accurate cleanup of demolition and material sorting areas, less waste disposal costs. This bucket not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kilopascals, but also has other superior features. For example, it has a powerful maximum airflow of 3.4 meters cubed per second and an adjustable suction airlock for precise vacuum cleaning. There is also an auxiliary suction port and vacuum hose for on-foot work. And then, there are special bag filters for a variety of applications. What do we know about JCB's newfangled HTD5 demo dump truck? Well, at least that its operating weight is only 590 kilograms, and its power is 5.9 horsepower at 4.4 kilowatts. The manufacturer took care of the engine and supplied a Kohler diesel with an electric starter. The trough volume reaches 300 liters, and the payload is 500 kilograms. Furthermore, this unit has a hydrostatic 2-speed drive and a hydraulic tipping body with high emptying. By the way, the unloading height is 1,450 millimeters. Thanks to its new features, this tipper does not reduce productivity and will be a great helper in your work. Spearings has delivered the world's largest electric mobile crane that can be operated from a 16-amp zero-emission outlet. The heavy crane weighs 72 tons, stands 216 feet tall, and has a lifting capacity of 10 tons, and can be operated from a conventional electrical outlet. Thanks to the integrated battery pack, power consumption peaks can be smoothed out. If the crane is not used for a few seconds, the hydraulic pumps shut down, reducing energy consumption. If there is no mains connection, the crane can also be operated in hybrid mode, where a small 3-cylinder Stage 5 diesel engine together with a battery pack will provide the crane with the necessary power. To set up the crane must first be placed on short outriggers for positioning the mats by remote control. The crane lifts itself, the tower extends and the boom unfolds by pressing a single button on the remote control. Exactly 11 minutes after the crane has been placed on the outriggers, it's ready for operation. Ropa 2 has expanded its product range with the new Kaler 2 Double Select. This is a machine that allows for increased separation efficiency in cloddy and stony soil. This potato harvester has an additional triple UVC with a separate impurity draft and an additional extendable sorting stand. By separating clod and stone in the early stages of harvesting, damage to the potatoes is significantly reduced, and the product is harvested even more gently. The machine impresses with its increased lifting speed and reduced manpower due to the significantly increased productivity of the mechanical separation, especially of lumps and stones. How often have you thought about every head of your cabbage being lifted off the ground with artificial precision and care? Meet Commander 1, the cabbage harvester that turns every day into a marvel of technology. Can a machine deliver a perfect root cut without harming your cabbage? Commander 1 proves it can. And where would you rather send your harvest? For long-term storage or directly to market? Either way, a combine harvester will not only free you from your worries, it will also open up new opportunities for your business. How can you experience full control over the transportation of long timber? Dahl offers the answer: self-driving trailers that turn transportation into an art form. Whether you choose the 2-axle or 3-axle version, your load, up to 72 feet, will be safe and under control. With a state-of-the-art CAN bus system and adaptability to any chassis, these trailers play by your rules. And the crane? It's not just here for loading. With the multi-telescopic adapters, it opens up new horizons of use. So friends, are you ready to become a master of wood logistics, where every trip becomes a masterpiece of convenience and versatility? Meet the innovative 26-foot power chain 800 disc cultivator from Danish company Dalbo, your new best helper in the field. The unique diamond shape and 4 disc chains with 31 to 35 discs at a 40-degree angle guarantee a perfect cut across the entire working width. The hydraulic adjustment of the chains and the possibility to equip the discs with additional weights for depth correction make this machine incredibly flexible. And the 300 to 500 liter sowing unit allows you to combine tillage and sowing, all in one pass, with a power input of 200 horsepower. The PowerChain 800 opens up new horizons in efficiency and time saving for farmers. When human knowledge and experience are combined with the power of technology, they become an unstoppable force, ready to solve any problem. This duo exceeds expectations, delivering solutions we could only dream of. You can see a masterpiece of farm equipment from ETS, the leader in strip till and fertilizer application. Why should this equipment be on your farm? Because the manufacturer of this equipment sets new standards in efficiency, increasing soil productivity and your income. Each machine is built for the maximum, from performance in the field to unrivaled durability and ease of operation. See how easily and efficiently it works to improve soil health and provide all the nutrients your soil needs. Just look at how this Metalcraft scraper works with the tractor. This wheeled machine has an open bucket with a cutting edge located between the front and rear wheels that cuts, picks up, transports, discharges, and distributes material while moving forward. One of the main advantages of the scraper is the fact that its use does not require the usage of any additional equipment. Load compacting machines, because when moving its dense wheels, are able to tamp the dumped layer of soil. The CrackPro robotic maintenance vehicle is the result of a partnership between Sealmaster and Pioneer Industrial Systems, whose president, Todd Hendricks, invented the concept. The RMV consists of a Fanuc R2000 robotic arm, a Sealmaster CrackPro 260 sealer, an air-blowing system to remove debris from the road,
and an artificial intelligence system consisting of high-resolution cameras and lasers to find and measure cracks. The system is powered by a 480-volt, three-phase state-line generator. Incidentally, all components are mounted on a Class 7 heavy-duty truck chassis. Although the RMV now performs crack sealing, there are plans to upgrade it to perform other road maintenance functions: road debris removal, reflector replacement, pothole patching, sign installation, pole installation, and road inspection.
In this video, agricultural company Pigo Franco uses an innovative baler for small sticks, twigs, river cane, and Mediterranean shrub trimmings. The new machine, sold by Cavalli e Cavalli, produces wood bales weighing from 44 to 66 pounds, depending on the type of material and its freshness. Once dry, the round bales can be cut into slices using a chainsaw. The machine is capable of packing any type of scraps that are less than 1.4 inches in diameter. This harvested material is ideal for wood stoves and the production of wood chips for sale or personal use. The king of all grapples has arrived in a big way, so you can see and evaluate the performance of the new wheel loader attachment from Hymac. The powerful unit is made in Australia and is designed for demanding applications. Standard wheel loaders use the same durable power rake bars, up to 2.3 inches, with the addition of a reinforced single grip. For compact machines, the company offers variations of dual grapple models. The design of this wheel loader equipment and its height provide high lifting capacity and maximum visibility for efficient, safe operation. Remove firmly jammed rocks and stones with a powerful handle and heavy-duty construction.
It's interesting to watch as a crawler machine, equipped with the right equipment, gently embraces a tree together with its roots and moves it to a new location. It's not just transplanting, it's moving to a new home for the tree, made with love and respect for nature. The MD-500 helicopter with air saw is one of the best tools for pruning trees in the right season. With this unusual technique, excess branches, especially those interfering with power lines in any cooperative, can be cut efficiently. The 30-foot row of circular saws is mounted on a 100-foot boom that hangs vertically from a helicopter, and it looks quite spectacular. It looks a bit like an electric trimmer you might use to cut hedges, but much more. The Vuomet snowplow blade is a true all-purpose snow clearing device. This multifunctional device works both as a snowdrift cutter and as a side blade that increases the working width. The snowplow blade can be used in wheel loaders, tractors, and as an accessory for the VRG motor grader. On a wheel loader, the unit is attached at the front, while on a tractor, it's attached to a 3-point adapter at the rear. The transport position of the device behind the tractor does not increase the width of the vehicle. A perfect machine with high production capacity combined with the experience of the craftsman can create the perfect tandem for turning perfect wood products.
You can now watch the MH machine with the automatic twine remover from the Vermeer Breezand in operation and process the first bales. Its 342-inch long roof meets all RDW transportation requirements. In addition, as mentioned, the machine is equipped with an automatic rope puller. With this technique, ropes can be removed quickly and easily, and the newly developed pickup drum ensures a quiet and even flow of straw. All in all, a neat, good, and efficient combination. Anderson Group has introduced the world's first self-loading bale handler capable of efficiently reloading packed silage bales. The machine is designed to pick up to 20 round bundles of wet or dry hay in a short time. It can move almost twice as many bales as any traditional platform system. This reduces labor, time spent in the field, and fuel consumption. Finally, the superior performance of the RBM Pro Series helps to free the field as fast as the baler goes through it, without the risk of plastic breakage. Now, while many can only dream of having automatic doors in their home, Run Chicken Eternal makes those chicken and rooster dreams a reality. Forget the manual labor of closing the coop in the evening and imagine your feathered friends coming home under the protection of reliable solar-powered automation. Predator-proof and made of aluminum, the door will keep your flock safe and give you peace of mind. What's more, it's environmentally friendly and promises to last up to 5 years, even if the weather tries to test it.
The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to clean photovoltaic solar panels and help maintain and optimize their performance. The use of a solar panel washer, regular cleaning and maintenance is critical to ensure that solar panels do not lose up to 17 to 25% of their electricity generation due to the accumulation of dirt, dust, and foreign matter. The large soft bristle rotating brush allows solar panels up to 9.8 feet long to be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and without damage. The washer is equipped with 2 spray rods, one on each side, which increase cleaning efficiency. Low water consumption and high tank capacity contribute to greater autonomy. The rotating brush provides easy and quick cleaning of many rows of solar panels. Make sure your eyes are safe under the protection of your goggles before proceeding. All set? Then focus on what's happening. Have you ever dreamed of a machine that combines the ease of trailer transportation with the power of an elevator? Equipter has heard you and created their cool 7000 model. So what you have here isn't just any piece of equipment, it's your best friend on the job site. In fact, it's capable of towing itself to the job site in minutes and lifting heavy loads up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or moving loads to a lower height of 23 feet and 5 inches with its unique forks. With convenient remote control and steering adjustments to suit your every need, the Equipter 7000 ensures that you can place it exactly where you need it without any extra effort. The Maja Automatic LK Fruit and Berry Shaking and Cleaning Machine is a technique that allows you to quickly and efficiently remove ripe fruit from trees. It can be used for harvesting apples, cherries, plums, olives, almonds, and other stone fruits. The machine is equipped with a special screen, which is rewound and retracted fully automatically. By the way, only 2 people can work on it, which significantly reduces the cost in manpower and also accelerates the process of harvesting fruits and berries. Depending on the parameters of the plantation, it's possible to choose the width of the screen that will be mounted on the machine, allowing individual adaptation of the technique to the needs of the buyer. The hydraulic drives on the working compositions, as well as the smooth adjustment of the parameters, make the operation of the Maja Automatic LK simple and easy to understand. The 4020 was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for drainage slope installations with greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards in North America and Europe. With a compact design similar to the 2520, the 4020 offers the added benefit of increased engine power for laying larger diameter pipe up to 5.9 feet deep. Holaris has developed its new harvester, which you are now seeing on your screens, and equipped it with their ideal technological solution for clean cutting of beet and maize to produce silage or finished forage for fresh daily feeding. The advantage of cutting is that the structure of the beets remains as intact as possible, thus ensuring low handling costs. Loading, transportation, cleaning, cutting, and dosing operations can be carried out in one pass. The machine also has a hydraulic safety valve, a set of different types of knives, and a 1.5 cubic meter hopper. First, let's mention the Grimm Hopper Model RH2445, which works in combination with the new GBF LSL conveyor. And let's note at once that the choice of these models is truly professional. Such a receiving hopper is characterized by the most gentle handling of the product and high productivity. With the TurboClean centrifugal force cleaning device, impurities are separated from the rollers at maximum speed, which is how the cleaning process takes place. The machine works perfectly in sticky soil conditions and requires no manual intervention. The fill level sensor maintains the optimum speed of the bottom conveyor,
which ensures perfect loading of the entire line without additional manual adjustment. The Einstruhschaufel Profi is a professional feed spreader bucket with Euro holder, shovel extension, and attachment grid from Flegel. It's designed for spreading silage, square or round bales, and loose forage. Separation required. This bucket is used for transportation and automatic meter distribution of mixed fodder, concentrates and crushed fodder for group feeding of cows, sheep, and pigs. Inside, there are 3 different attached dozing rollers, each of which is equipped with 33 knives. Thanks to them, the technique manages to carefully loosen and shred the material and then distribute it evenly due to the integrated wide ejector belt. On the receiving side of the bucket, there's an integrated plexiglass window, which is used to check the contents, and the volume is about 2.1 meters cubed. The Tomahawk 500 FS is truly economical, simple, and very reliable. There are no gearboxes. The rotor is driven directly from the tractor, and a hydraulic motor is used to rotate the drum. Thanks to its simplicity and robustness, customers can count on a long service life for their Tomahawk. Blow straw up to 35 feet high, unloading it to one or both sides of the tractor. Unload silage onto the right side only into the ring feeder or along the feed barrier. Tomahawk bale chopper models use powerful blades to chop dry or wet material. For very wet material, the shredding length can be as short as 1.57 inches, and for dry material, it can be about 5.9 inches. You will enjoy simple and straightforward performance control by adjusting the drum speed.
In 2023, Gould introduced the new LT Master F60. In fact, it's a combination of baler and bale wrapper. Not only corn, but also corn stover, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grain, garbage, wood chips, mixed fodder, and many other raw materials can be processed into perfectly compacted and wrapped bales. All thanks to this modern and productive machine. The LT Master F115 features a fixed chamber press and produces compact bales measuring 1.96 by 1.96 feet. It also provides customers working with small bales with proven Gould quality. Meet the Hemo 1600 ST, your new ally in the fight to keep your ditches clean. This cleaner turns a chore into a breeze, using the power of water to clear vegetation and specialized star rollers to prevent stagnant water. The ability to choose the number of rollers allows you to fine-tune the machine to fit any requirement. Not only can you use it to clean ditches, but you can also control the waste output by spreading it on the ground or stacking it neatly along the slope. The tool features adjustable widths from 24 to 47 inches, a hydraulic spreader, and a convenient transport mechanism with 180-degree swivel casters. The Hemo 1600 ST makes ditch maintenance simple and efficient, providing the perfect solution for any task. Just look at the huge excavator, which, like a magician, changes an old building into an empty field for new beginnings. It's equipped with special VTN MT20 hydraulic shears, which are like a knife cutting through butter. But concrete and metal is in front of them. This is not just destruction, but the real magic of transformation. With each movement of the excavator, old walls are transformed into pieces of the future, opening the way for new ideas and possibilities. Meet the ace among planters, the modified Garmach planter, the dream of every garlic farmer. This mechanical machine is not only for garlic, but also for onions, beans, saffron, gladiolus, and other tubers, making it a versatile tool for small and medium-sized farms. The secret to the efficiency of the technique? Simplicity. Plus, it comes with a set of chains with different diameter cups welded to them, 0.86, 1.1, and 1.4 inches, for precision and planting flexibility. Are you ready to take your fit to the next level? In a world where wind is becoming the key to clean energy, Dole is doing its part by introducing trailers capable of transporting giant wind blades of up to 328 feet long and weighing up to 35 tons. It's not just transportation, it's an engineering marvel created from decades of experience and innovation. Thanks to a unique design, where torques are a thing of the past, every ride remains safe,
even as the blades furrow the skies with their high center of gravity. Loading? A matter of minutes. Maneuverability exceeds expectations with a hydraulic steering and 85-degree turning circle in both directions, allowing these trailers to dance on the roads, easily avoiding any obstacle. Dull makes wind power closer and its transportation easier and more efficient.
Tilling the land and then sowing it becomes a simple task with the presence of a mechanized assistant. This outstanding machine not only plows the ground, but also carefully distributes all your planting material, making the whole process incredibly efficient.
Thanks to the proven and improved picking belt system, the Vogel Engineering Harvester lifts the celery plants without damaging them. This machine is hydraulically driven by a self-contained system that can be adjusted either from the platform or from the tractor. In terms of how the machine works, the soft collecting belts of its harvesting element collect the leaves, while the moving system cuts the leaves just above the roots so that they remain connected. The soft belts move the product to a certain height, where the celery is placed on an additional belt. From there, it's transferred to another machine for further transportation and delivery to the customer. You're looking at more than just a Triumph 6-row 4.0 planter from Cecchi & Magli. It's your trusted partner in your dream garden, capable of placing seedlings at a minimum distance of 18 inches between rows. Ideal for finicky plants with lush leaves, from tomatoes to hemp. This machine promises convenience and high efficiency thanks to its semi-automatic mechanism. Its heart is a 10-cup rotating spreader that guarantees a capacity of up to 5,000 plants per hour per row. Add to this the folding hydraulic frame for easy transportation and its independent modular transplanting compartments, and you have the perfect tool for your agrarian creativity.
The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a clear view of the area being swept. The brush sweeper is equipped with a special bottom emptying debris container that can be easily and quickly emptied directly onto the truck bed. The sweeper is designed to be fairly easy to maintain, and blade changes are quick and easy. The side brush increases the cleaning width, making it easier to clean curbs and so on.
Reel mowers are not suitable for everyone. They're designed for small, flat mowing areas, so it requires great effort to operate them. At the same time, they offer exceptional mowing quality and convenience. They offer something no other machine can, and the Jacobsen mower is one of the best of its kind. The Hysoon 380 is the most advanced skid steer loader, providing even higher productivity on the job site. The loader features effortless and smooth operation, increased dump height, and an industry-standard quick-release hitch that is compatible with other leading brands. More than 30 attachments can be fitted, making the Hysoon 380 a truly versatile machine for the job at hand. High torque and four-wheel drive allow for the machine to work in extremely maneuverable conditions with minimal space. Leading features such as night work lights, USB cell phone jack, horn, folding rear platform, easy access to service points, and lockable fuel tank lid make the Hysoon 380 a leader in its class.
Any wood is helpless in the face of this powerful machine, which literally crushes it in the blink of an eye. With this equipment, the shredding process is not only fast, but also absolutely ruthless, leaving only dust behind.
The SC200G can be optimally used on trucks with a minimum gross vehicle weight of 10 tons. Due to the ease of use of the equipment, it's suitable for vehicle recovery and transportation. The special design of the unit consists of a tilting and removable platform with 190-degree rotation. Optionally, a slewing crane complete with fixed or adjustable balance beam can be installed behind the cab for lifting and loading vehicles. The rear telescopic hydraulic rear fork, available in 1.5-ton, 2-ton, or 2.5-ton versions, allows for towing damaged cars and trucks with the axle raised. Itera's mix-and-go model concrete mixers allow you to scoop up material, mix it on the go or while stationary, and then spread it using one of three methods. The Model 250 is a mid-sized unit that holds 8.82 cubic feet of material. All mix-and-go models are equipped with features that make your job easier. This kind of unit collects, mixes, and pours cement in one hopper. The shovel mixer, which is mounted on the skid steer loader, is designed as a multifunctional attachment with remote and manual control. This is an Ecotech remote-controlled machine with an automatic leveling motor. It's designed for efficient grass cutting in the most extreme conditions. It is a small but powerful assistant that can reach maximum speed even on steep slopes. You will definitely enjoy its work.
I'm sure you have no idea what's happening on your screen right now, but let me tell you, just a moment more and you'll be amazed beyond measure. Imagine a trimmer that doesn't just cut the lawn, but does it with genuine passion, turning an ordinary task into a real spectacle. This tool is not only a master of its craft, but also a source of delight for the owner, bringing bright colors to the routine of yard care. Attention! A powerful machine with a large hopper for applying liquid fertilizer to the soil is taking over the field, so you can sleep easy. Under his watchful eye, your future harvest is guaranteed joy and abundance. The John Deere 6210R tractor, in tandem with the AVR GE Force cultivator and the MyDema structural 4000 potato planter, becomes an indispensable assistant on the farm. This powerful combination ensures high efficiency, saving farmers considerable time, effort, and technical costs. The AVR G-Force cultivator prepares the soil perfectly, while the MyDema structural 4000 potato planter ensures precise and fast planting, guaranteeing ideal conditions for crop growth. You're looking at the Casella Sprinkling Machine PLMP model. In fact, it's specialized equipment, which retains all the basic functions of the PL model. However, the machine has been supplemented with a diesel engine. It also has a maximum output of 250 horsepower. It's mainly suitable for drawing water directly from irrigation canals by means of a flexible arm with a fairly long reach, or from underground low-pressure hoses. Thanks to this connection, a single operator can quickly position the system with elementary operations. Further energy savings are achieved because the rewinding hose and hydraulic movement are controlled by the motor. It's breathtaking to see how hard metal submits to the power of a professional machine, taking on a new shape with amazing ease. So friends, you see the true art of material transformation. This is a machine that will be your seedling's best friend, ensuring that the surrounding ground is perfectly plowed. This machine is designed to ensure that your crops grow in the best possible conditions. The high-tech behemoth seems to have magical powers. It can take on any challenge. Backing through mud? Easy. Loading a load that seems impossible to carry? No problem. And then it carries on like a feather. For this car, the word impossible just doesn't exist. The axe comes to rest when this rotating miracle machine appears on the scene. It transforms wood into perfectly shaped and sized logs, making the process fast, precise, and surprisingly simple. Anderson Merge Pro turns the haymaking process into a true art form. This camless hay shredder is a true champion of speed, revolutionizing traditional methods of operation. With advanced technology on your side, expect maximum efficiency and minimal downtime. Anderson's Merge Pro is your choice for unrivaled precision and high quality in hay combining. And the machine ensures that every section of the field is accurately utilized in the best possible way. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.